Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Yoni Kaplan. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. We deal with Atlanta Limmud in the southeast.
Great, okay. And what's the session that you've just been to?
This session was, I have to think about it for a second. It's basically dealing with programming and feedback and trying to solve specific issues that maybe arise in local Limmuds, but also Limmud UK.
Okay. And when did you arrive at Limmud UK?
I was actually here for Shabbat, so I got here on Friday.
Oh, great. And how was Shabbat?
Shabbat was lovely. It was kind of a good introduction. I've never been to Limmud UK before, so it was kind of a good way to navigate and get around without all the people crowding at all the rooms. So.
And what would you say is the most important thing you've learned from the Limmud International sessions?
Just that my role so far has not really been that active in terms of volunteering. So I think that basically being able to ease myself into thinking about things like programming and logistics, which I'm not a very organized person, so it's really helpful to have other people to kind of give me feedback and kind of show me the ropes as to how to do that.
Great. And what are you looking forward to for the rest of Limmud?
The rest of Limmud, I don't know. I kind of plan my sessions as the day goes by. Just meeting more people, kind of finding people who are interested in Jewish education, which is something I do kind of on the side, but I'm really passionate about it. So I want to kind of throw ideas and get more, kind of meet more interesting people about Jewish education.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Aki. I'm from Limmud LA.
Cool. And what was the session you were just in?
We were just in the technology session, learning to use different types of platforms and technological advances in order to help communication between teams and participants.
Okay. And were there any forms of technology or any useful websites or suggestions that you picked up from the session?
I think certainly the most useful thing that we did was to kind of talk about, especially with the North American teams, to talk about what platforms people are using, what's good about them, what's challenging about them, how people are communicating with their participants, especially how people are communicating with their team members, and also how people are communicating from generation to generation, from 1 year to the next, in terms of the volunteers and helping them to understand where the documents are from last year and how they set things up.
Great, brilliant, thank you very much. And we'll just move around the circle. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting your eating here. Hello, can you tell us your name and which Limmud you're from?
Sure, I'm Danny from Limmud Toronto.
And can you tell us something that you picked up from this session?
So I think the interesting thing was we discovered there's so many platforms that you can use for your technology. The important part is to think about who's using what and to not make people sign up to new platforms when they're already on some. And the second thing is try to find platforms that have an ease of access, but also have as much function as you can manage without it getting too complicated.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. I'll let you eat the rest of your food in peace. Thank you.